G'day viewers, Grazza out at Lake Eppalock. It's just Monday afternoon, just gone 5 o'clock. Got a beautiful evening. We've got a sort of storm brewing. We've got rain coming tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully there might be a few fish on the dew. We're going to go out and chase some yellows. Lake's at 100%, so we'll give that a whirl, see how we go. Anyway, stay tuned as we hopefully go out there and find one or two. Okay, first spot, so very much focusing on yellows. So we're going to kick off with a little T50 Jackell here, a little black one, and we'll flick that out for a bit, and we'll use this little just gulp grub, little 10-gram jig head, and we also got to try the little Chasebait, little imitation yabby. Put a bit of lure send on that, just a bit of vertical fishing. It would see a few fish under the boat. Using the Lowrance active target, we've got that in the water. We're sitting in about sort of 3-4 metres of water. Just got to try the shallow stuff, hoping some fish are going to come up and chase some bait. So got a few areas here in mind which I saw a few fish hanging around on the weekend, but just couldn't get them to take a bait. So we're going to focus on that early. So anyway, we'll get that first lure in, and let's see how we go. Water's a little bit warmer, and yeah, just hoping. We've got obviously the main sort of river coming through the lake just off to the right here. Very much just focusing. Well, the tactic is you know, once the fish getting a bit later in the evening, they're going to sort of come out of that depth and chase a bit of bait along this area. Sort of looking for a bit of bait schools, fish schools, that type of thing. Seeing those and sort of focusing on those areas, but we'll just continue to sort of cast in these areas, and hopefully we might pick one up. So no luck on the black one. We might go and try a little silver one a go. Give that a whirl, see how we go. Some of this dizzy scent on, the old yabby. Hopefully something will come up and get a whiff and go, okay, I want that for dinner. I only wish. I'll put that out there. been many a times where I've put lure scent on and first cast straight after on. See some fish here. We're sitting about 10 metres out in front of us. Lure sitting there. So I'm just going to give that a bit of a jig. See whether I can generate some interest. Oh, there comes a fish. I've had about 3 or 4 reddies come up and have a look. Still got a couple. No luck. I think we've given this point a fair crack, so I think we might try another spot. Yeah, there's a massive school of them just between these trees. And those 2 trees. Yeah.
I just found oh yeah, there's a nice school right here.
Yeah.
It's literally dead flat, nothing, then before all of a sudden.
Oh.
And I drifted over it and had a few little hits.
And I've got a massive yellow. Right, I saw him come up. I saw him come up off the grab it, and I could tell he was a yellow. There's a big school of reddies in there, and you could see him, he's come up from the and grabbed that. He's grabbed that at the boat. Yeah, he's not bad. Ripper. There you go, nice 43 centimetres. Got him on the little Barkley grub. I actually saw him just sort of last minute, just grab it at the boat, just sort of chasing a few reddies, and he's just come up and grabbed that. Absolute beautiful yellow. Good start. Let's hope we can get another one. Put him back in the drink. So that's a wrap, guys. Been out here for a couple of hours. Absolutely beautiful evening. Managed to get the one nice yellow, which I'm absolutely wrapped with. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.